Alright everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing of the SkilSaw cordless worm drive circular 7 1/4 circular saw with the free battery promo that I did a video on before. This is going to be the unboxing for that order that I got from Acme Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. Alright, so this is going to be the unboxing of the free battery from SkilSaw that I got for the SkilSaw 7 1/4 SPTH77M-12, which is Sam, Paul, Tony, Henry 77, Mary -12. I'm going to unbox the free battery and the tool. We're going to start with the battery because it's probably one of the hardest ones that we're going to have to open. This plastic is a lot stiffer than the plastics that you get the Milwaukee tools in, that's definitely for sure. Way thicker. Definitely putting these shears to the test. This battery's part number is SPTH15, Sam, Paul, Thomas, Henry 15. Let's see if we can just pull it out from here. Yep. Okay. Information is on the inside of the cover. That down there. The battery is at 3 bars. I kind of expected it to be a little less than that. Okay. Looks like this is one of those ones you're gonna have to peel from the top, is what it looks like. I don't want to destroy the box, but wow, you think they would have made it easier to open the box. Doesn't look like they did. Dang. Really? Hi. They definitely sealed this box really good. Sorry for the shaking, guys. Trying to do this without shaking it, but there. They definitely glued it pretty good. Okay, so the first thing you're met with is the instruction booklets for the SkilSaw, the battery, and the charger. Here is the blade. It is a framing 7 1/4 20-tooth Diablo blade for worm drive. Okay, here's the saw. Here is the dust boot that it comes with. That side. It is pretty nicely packaged, I do have to admit that. Is the charger. Move this box out of the way. And here is the other battery. So, what is the charge on this battery? The charge on this battery is 2 bars. Here is the charger. I believe this is a rapid charger. Input 120 volts, 60 hertz, 380 watt output, 6 amps. Okay. So this is everything I got for the $399. Move this over here. This is everything that I got. I got 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries. One is at 2 bars. One, oh, looks like they're both at 2 bars now. Dust boot that you can use on different size vac attachments for shop vacs. I believe this is a supercharger, and the worm drive saw. I'd probably be doing a different video on this, showing what features I like, what features that are nice. It does have 77 right here. I do like the lock switch. It's a nice black with gray magnesium shoe. Let's test something real quick. I have my Craftsman 6.5 horsepower shop vac here. This is one of the attachments. Will this fit? It does. So I will be able to hook this up to my shop vac. The hose is the exact same size as this end, and it fits very nicely. So just a quick test on that. So I'm going to hook this up, charge it. I'm probably going to put it on the wall over here. Probably going to put it like right here. Because right here I want to put the supercharger by Milwaukee whenever I pick that up. But that will be another video. I will probably do a separate video on this. Particularly the features and everything like that. I did not see a wrench in the bag, but I could have overlooked it. It doesn't look like I overlooked it. I don't see a wrench. Is it on the tool? I do like the rafter hook. Also need to find out if it has oil in it. Oh, the wrench is right there. Wrench is right here. So that's nice. Very, very nice. So please stick around for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Amazon affiliate links. I'll probably put on an end card up here somewhere another video guys can go watch. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.